In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect n8n to Notion using an internal integration. We'll start in Notion by creating an internal integration, then link it to your database, and finally connect everything in n8n so you can fetch your records automatically. This setup is great for testing and building reliable automations without exposing anything publicly. First, open Notion and head to My Integrations. Create a new integration. Give it a clear name that hints at its purpose, such as something related to automation, and choose the workspace where your database lives. Adding a logo is optional, and only for your own visual clarity. Click Create, and Notion will generate an internal integration token. This token is essential. It's what n8n will use to talk to your Notion workspace, so treat it like a secret and keep it safe. On the integration page, click Show to reveal the internal integration token, then copy it. You'll paste this into n8n in a moment. Remember, this token acts as an API key, so don't share it publicly. Next, grant the integration access to your Notion database. Open the database you want n8n to read from, click Share, then Invite. Search for the integration by the name you just created and give it access. Without this share step, the integration can't see your data, even if the token is valid. Now switch to your n8n workflow. Add a manual trigger node. This node lets you run the workflow on demand so you can test safely before putting anything on a schedule or webhook. Add a Notion node to the workflow. Set the resource to database and the operation to get many. This tells n8n to fetch multiple rows from your chosen database. In the Notion node, create new credentials. Paste the internal integration token you copied from Notion and save. With that, n8n is securely connected to your Notion integration. Back in the Notion node settings, choose your database ID. If your integration has access, you should be able to select it from the dropdown. Run the workflow by clicking Execute Workflow. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see your Notion records appear in the Notion node's output. That confirms your connection between n8n and Notion is live. One quick tip before we wrap up. If you come across fields like company name, privacy policy, redirect URI, or OAuth domains, those relate to public OAuth apps. You don't need them for this internal integration approach used by n8n.